Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. We are ready to go, and we are refreshing the chat because I see nobody right now. What the heck was that? We have got Next Level, maybe first in the chat, not exactly sure. Next Level shows up at the top for me. We got Kenneth, Frank, Kenneth, Honorarium, Kenneth, Tim, Kenneth, Honorarium, Tim, Honorarium, Next Level, Tim, Honorarium, Next Level, Honorarium, Kenneth, Next Level, Kombu, Honorarium, 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 Honorarium. I see you, Honorarium. I thank you. Thank you very much for the mustache, Honorarium. Thank you. I see you, Honorarium, man. Thank you very much for the mustache. Man, I don't know if I need to cut that little piece of hair off right there or what the deal is, but alright, that's good enough for now. It was just like running a little straggly there. But we're looking good. We got Gorilla in here, Tim, Honorarium, Kombu, Kenneth, Tim, Honorarium, Kombu, Master, Kenneth, Frank, what's going on, Frank, Next Level, Forgot My Cup, Honorarium, Tim, Honorarium, Next Level, Honorarium, Tim, Next Level, I was reading Chainsaw, like that was your name. No. Frank, we got Next Level, Honorarium, Tim, Frank, Gorilla, Next Level, Kombu, Next Level, Honorarium. We've got Kenneth, Next Level, Kombu, Tim, Honorarium, Kombu, Next Level, Gorilla, Next Level. Man, you guys are active in the chat. Thank you very much for being in here. Let's check the market out so far. That's not the market. That is the market. Honorarium. Let's see if we can do a little, let's see if we can do... What kind of a little curved horn is this? Is that about... What kind of a... Hold on. What's... That's good. Thank you very much for the unicorn. Honorarium, absolutely appreciate that, and I know you guys loved that unicorn right there. That is what I call a shaved unicorn. Yes, Honorarium, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Frank saying Discord member chat right now. Let's see if we got it up on the screen or where I can find it. All right, come back out here to the Discord member chat right now. Trez, welcome to the spreadsheet. We've got updated at lunch. Man, we have got $644.94 in monthly dividends. Frank's portfolio is absolutely income-based. Frank, man, that portfolio looks excellent. And I mean, who in here would benefit from an additional $650 a month? I think everybody in here would benefit from an additional $650 a month. I don't know why you wouldn't want an additional $650 per month. And Frank's portfolio right there generating just that, $650 per month. And I would say relatively diversified and decent income. So Frank has got a lot of very nice income producing ETFs in his portfolio. And I mean, they're generating a very, very handsome return of $644.94 per month. Frank, excellent job, man. Excellent job. Yes, tree hugger for life. Little brain damage and torn rotator cuffs ain't gonna stop Kombu. There you go, Kombu. Don't let anything stop anybody in here from doing anything. All right? All right. Glad we agree. In the meantime, Bitcoin bouncing back up. Guys, I don't know if you've seen the resistance setting up in the $43,000 mark for Bitcoin today, but it has struggled all day to break back up above this level, but it continues to hit higher lows. And it is using this moving average, this 50-period moving average on a 5-minute chart, and it's using it beautifully right now. Coming up, bouncing off. Coming up, bouncing off. Coming up, bouncing off. So we're going to have to see if Bitcoin continues to follow that 50-period moving average or what it ends up doing. But I am telling you right now, Bitcoin looking strong all morning, all afternoon long. Yes, hitting some resistance, pulling back, tabbing a higher high, pulling back, tabbing an even higher high, pulling back. Based on the pattern, where do you think this one's going? It's going to go at least 43,287 if this trend holds up right here, and it's going to hit an even higher high. Hopefully, retesting up here at $44,000. You know, we had that pullback yesterday. They brought us from about 43.8 all the way back down to 41.8. But man, we are looking at a nice gain off the 41.8 level, almost 5% higher to currently sitting $43,187. 169, 67, 163, 4, 5, 59, 56. It's looking very strong at the moment. We are definitely going to be keeping our eyes on that. Gorilla, the write-off on it, and farmer tax filing. I'll still be broke, but I'll have the biggest equipment in the township. Tim, it sounds like a plan to me, man. It sounds like if you get the biggest equipment in town, I think you're doing something right. Hey, even if you're broke, right? Dude's broke with the biggest equipment and best farming equipment in town. Kombu's absolutely bro status. Kombu is bro status, man. Tax time gonna be nice. Erase that little bit of my debt stock, the portfolio, and let it ride. Also, I'm getting a new toy. Very nice, Honorarium. What kind of a new toy is Honorarium getting? One Honorarium to 1/10 of a cent. If Honorarium says soon, man. If Honorarium says soon, I am going to scream. That's all I gotta say. Frank, when we get the coin market cap listing, Honorarium, I like it, man. Any news with Bitcoin ETF token? Big launch, then approvals, then crickets. What is up? Generations remodeling. We could look it up real quick. Bitcoin ETF token. Following Bitcoin, right? Following Bitcoin, following the ETF announcement, or after the ETF announcement, and in really a lackluster performance there, because people just didn't get as excited as they really should be about this ETF, BTC ETF. Now, because it became some sort of a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event, here we are with Bitcoin ETF token sitting down at a $1.99 million market cap. And as you guys can see, it did break down through that support line that we had on the chart here. We had this support at 002. I mean, it's currently sitting at 00199, so it is still very, very close to that. But continuing to trend lower as Bitcoin not gaining the support and not gaining the excitement that a lot of people expected following that ETF announcement. So, yes, there is a lot of crickets surrounding BTC ETF or Bitcoin ETF token because, of course, people bought the rumor. They were getting very excited into this area here, more than doubling in price. And all of a sudden, well, now we have to wait. We have to wait for people to buy in. And of course, Bitcoin ETF token moving lower right now, currently sitting at 00199, or basically 002, 0.2 of a cent per coin. Oh my gosh, you can't even see it. 0.2 of a cent per coin on Bitcoin ETF token. I'm in the middle of helping some more people get in. Very nice, Honorarium. My diamond hands turn to noodle fingers when Honorarium hits 1/10 of a cent. Outdoor smile. I think a lot of people's diamond hands are going to turn into noodle fingers when Honorarium hits 1/10 of a cent. Trudukel. Click. Good afternoon. Trudukel. Good afternoon to you, my friend. It goes a boom. Ooh, very nice. I like things that go boom. And then boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. That sounds like a song. I want to maybe. Apple prediction. Ah, man. Are you talking about the earnings report, Russell? Let's see what Apple has going on so far. Now, I think Apple's supposed to report earnings either today after hours or very, very soon after hours. Does anybody know? Does anybody know for sure if it is today? The volatility is kicking up, so it might be today. I can't see right here with just the news that they got shown on Weeble. Does anybody know for sure if Apple's earnings are today? 5 p.m. All right, Russell says 5 p.m. And the volatility is definitely kicking up ahead of the earnings release here. You know what, man? Microsoft reported good earnings. Google tanked 6-7% the other day. I actually don't know if Apple is going to have good earnings or bad earnings. I really do not know. I don't know what their expectations are, so I don't know if they're going to be able to beat or miss expectations there. But the fact that we've seen a mixed bag with Microsoft doing very well, Google doing very poorly, I really don't know what to expect in terms of Apple since I haven't been watching them closely, and I really don't even know what the analysts are expecting at the moment. If anybody else in here has been following Apple more closely, please let us know if you guys got some price predictions. Clearly, nothing's financial advice, especially if you guys are already playing the earnings report. You're probably already in. You've bought your options, whatever you want to do, and you're going to see how it plays out. Formula One news. Sir Lewis Hamilton leaving Mercedes after 2024 season to replace Carlos Sainz at Ferrari in 2025. Woo! Frank, is that good news or bad news, man? I don't know if that's good news or bad news. Still love the hoodie, bro. I wear it all the time. Generations remodeling, man. Perfect. I wear, you guys, I mean, you've probably seen this bro hoodie like 1,000 times. I wear my bro hoodies all the time, too. I basically wear a bro hoodie every single day. Depending on like the 10 different ones that I have. I am always rocking a bro hoodie. It's a Deere 9 640. It's big, green, and 4-wheel drive. The darn electronics in it, messing things, could steal itself to the moon on a GPS while I sit in the AC, monitor touchscreens, and drink a beer. Tim, whatever that means, just be careful if you were doing anything of the sort while riding in a big old giant tractor. Tim, that is awesome. Apple is after hours. Remy, thank you very much. Apple after hours. Apple grows on a tree, but will fall under the force of gravity. I think we might be talking about different apples, Frank. Meta earnings today also. What's it doing? Let's see what Meta's doing real quick. I think that Meta was up a little bit on the day today. The QQQ was doing very well. Dude, is this stock still out there? Man. What was their reverse split at? Oh, right here. 1 for 100, man. Just at the end of... Dang, they got down to 3 cents. They were down to 3 cents. Wow, dude, people were going crazy over MMAT. And sorry, I know you guys aren't, you don't care about MMAT, but I just clicked on this because I saw it. People were going crazy about MMAT back in 2021 when it was ripping from now split adjusted $23 lows to $1,000, basically 50x gains. And now here they are, from $1,000 down to $3 per share. All-time lows being hit. My goodness, man. But we want to look at the actual meta. We want to look at Facebook. Facebook, what? Man, Facebook has got a beautiful daily graph. Look at this, man. Holy smokes. Dude, look at 2023 for Facebook. Going from $88 a share to $400 per share throughout 2023. That is phenomenal, man. Wow. Not only did it gap fill, it's hitting an all-time high. Wow. Dude, that pullback on Facebook was epic here to come back and hit an all-time high. That is wild when you look at the monthly chart, taking it all the way back to 2012 here. That's some crazy gains in just a 1-year period. Nothing but up for Facebook there. And look at the after hours trading right now. Holy smokes, man. Facebook ripping after hours. Facebook is up 12.70% after hours right now. $440 a share from $390 per share. Facebook is on a rocket, man. Oh my gosh. No, Russell, I knew it was the wrong stock. I was looking at metamaterials. For me, that's good news. Not a fan of the Mercedes team. Would love to see Hamilton win another team and help Ferrari beat Mercedes in Constructors' Championship. Whatever Frank is talking about, I say let's get started. Emma D. What's going on, Emma D? Emma comes in with a 20-month member chat. I want a hoodie and, a song stop? Oh, I want a hoodie and a... Stop, collaborate, and listen. I've got a hoodie for Emma D. Don't miss it. I don't know the rest of the lyrics to that song. So Emma D, thank you very much for that. Very sorry that I don't know more lyrics. But Emma D wants a hoodie. We've got that for sure. Emma D, thank you very much for being a bro for 20 stinking months, man. Absolutely loving it right now. I don't even have to steal the darn thing. I program it in the field and crop patterns and just sit and monitor. How do you not have to? Man, that's wild, Tim. I need something like that to just mow my lawn. That's what I need. I need something like that to just mow my lawn. Hey, are you buying any altcoins? Are we at the top? Are we at the altcoin bottom, or do we have further to go? Brian, I am. Listen, I am ready to buy, but I am not currently buying. All right. I have a couple plans. I do want to load up on some stuff. Hopefully, in the next couple of months here. I don't know if Bitcoin is going to see a further pullback or not. I am a little cautious at the moment that Bitcoin will be pulling back. So I'm going to do a couple things this year. I will be loading up onto some altcoins, but I'm also going to be buying some of the presidential meme coins that are out there. I truly think with the election this year, these DT coins, these Make America You Know What Again coins, these JB coins, I think all of these coins are going to get a lot of attention due to the vicious election. So I don't really care what you guys think about it, but I'm going to be buying some of those in terms of meme status to see how those do. And I have not yet started doing so, but I've got my eyes on a couple that once they begin to pull back a little bit further and kind of lose the steam of the recent rally they've had, I'll be adding some of those. Some other ones, some other meme coins that I might be adding into, stuff like Miro, right? Miro on the Solana network is down pretty big over the last couple of weeks, and it seems as though it might continue to fall. So some of these meme coins, they perform very similarly to how Bonk performed back in 2023. I will likely be adding to some of those. Now, those are meme coins. I will be adding to some, larger altcoins as well, but I have not currently been doing that. What did Facebook do? Fire Zuckerberg? They Outdoor Smile. They must have done something, man, because Facebook is on an absolute rocket after a beautiful 2020. This is nuts to me, man. This 2023 graph is phenomenal, taking Facebook to all-time highs, and then today's earnings report just absolutely ripping it even higher. I don't know what the implied volatility was on Facebook's options today. I don't know if they were expensive or if they were still relatively cheap. But, dude, a move like that, a 12% after-hours move, which looks like it's going to go even higher, is going to be posting some fantastic options returns. Meta backwards is Atem, the Egyptian godhead that vowed to destroy everything he created. Really? Kobu, man. Is that true, guys? I don't even know if that's true. I don't know nothing about these Egyptian gods or whatever they got out there, man. I'm really happy you don't remember the lyrics. True Ducal. Good. Emma D's probably disappointed, but you're happy. Gorilla, picture this. Belichick goes to Michigan to coach. Brady has a year of college eligibility left. Brady goes back to finish his degree and plays football. All right, that would be pretty interesting, Tim. I don't know if that's going to happen, but that would be pretty interesting. This college coach would rock Brady's world. Very interesting theory, Outdoor Smile. Gronk enters as a freshman. Dang, man, you guys have got it all planned out, man. That is one way to get a lot of attention going on, isn't it? Where Atlas? Let's look it up. More like Gronk enters as a cheerleader, plays kicker. Now, is that going to happen? I don't know. Luna28 projects. What are your thoughts? Mondrel Robertson. I don't have any thoughts. We can look up Luna28 in a minute, right after Atlas. Here you go, Clay. Stop, collaborate, and listen. Clay is back dropping those opinions. Something looking kind of funky, charting those coins daily and nightly. Will he ever stop? Heck no. Emma D on the let's go. Oh, yes. Emma, thank you very much for some beautiful lyrics. Creatively crafted specifically for the Claybro channel. Emma D, thank you. Question is, guys, is Meta, it seems like it's about to fall back off the cliff that it just created here. Is Meta going to rip back down from 446 back down to $300 per coin? If so, watch out, man. That cliff looks very, very steep there. Keep your eyes on it. Let's check out where Atlas is. Star Atlas is up 0.61% today, Tim. Star Atlas not really moving at all. Following Bitcoin, bouncing up a little bit off of those lows this morning. And unlike Bitcoin, however, Atlas has been hitting some lower highs throughout the afternoon, as Bitcoin has been hitting some higher highs throughout the afternoon. So Atlas sitting at 0.04 and maintaining that level of support at that 4 cent mark, or the 0.4 of a cent mark. But just be very careful, dude. If it does break through like it looks like it wants to, we could be coming back down to test 0.03 and then 0.02 and potentially 0.01 once again. 0.01, I believe, is a very strong, level of support that is held up for a very long time there. So just keep your eyes on Atlas, Tim, if you're in it, man. I don't want to see you fall back down below that 0.04 level. And then, I don't know where you're at, but I don't want to see you start losing money on it. Zuckerberg Epstein Island, a frequent flyer. Just saying, he might have been, man. He might have been. And they might be getting rid of him, and that might be why Facebook is soaring. Bros, no toes. No toes hitting 5 green names in the chat earlier today. People still saying thanks to No Toast out there. No Toast, man, thank you very much for that. Let's see. Facebook forwards is big pile of crap. Facebook forwards, a forward-looking statement, or what do we got there? Let's see. I'm here. Unless, of course, I'm not on Facebook. I haven't been on Facebook since like 2015. So if Facebook forwards is like a new thing that they have, you guys are going to have to explain that to me because I don't know what it is. Clay, doing research on a few new coins, but Unisex AI and CAD. Those are the ones you got out there that you're liking, huh? Giovanni? Let's take a look at him, man. I don't know if that is showing up there. Is it Cadence Protocol? Right. Yeah, it's probably this one. That's not tracked. It's your boy's price range right there. That $5 million price range. Oh, jeez. Yeah. This one just listed today, right? Giovanni, do your research on this one, man, because this one's probably going to be, what, at $1 by the end of the week since you found it at a $5 million market cap, probably going to a $20 million market cap. All right, I don't know what all these guys got going on, man. Yeah, man, let me know what you find out about them. Doesn't look too bad, but I don't know everything that they got going on, and I'm not going to be able to figure out everything they got going on in a live stream right here. So let me know what you got, man. Huebro is one of the best places to find the coins that have a good chance of hitting multiple gains in the DEX ticker. Seems like when they hit the ticker, they have already climbed a bit. Just curious. Johnny Quest. Yes. So I think you're talking about this up here, right? And you are right. So if you're looking at this decentralized or DEX Tools ticker, and you're watching, I don't think these are Solana coins. Let's just move on over to a Solana coin here. Nope. What do we got? I know this one's on Solana. This one's been trending for like the last week. So if you're looking at these coins right here, IKEA trending. Let's see where it's at today. Yeah, this hasn't even been on a full day, and by the time it would have hit this trending ticker up here, boom, it would have been all the way up to 3 zeros and a 4. Currently fell back down, had a nice little relief rally. Currently fell back down and is sitting in a just measly $34,000 market cap. If you believe that it's going to bounce off this support, this could be an excellent time to buy in to IKEA. Of course, if it doesn't bounce off of that support level, it's going to fall back down through here, and it's going to go from a $30,000 market cap possibly all the way back down to 0 and die out. You are correct. By the time they reach this trending list, they have already ran. Now, that does not mean that they still don't have some run left in them. So I don't know where all of these coins are at today, but here's another one, man. Running this morning, jumping onto the trending list, and this one has already died out. This is Citadel, right? This one has already died back down to $13,000 in market cap with a price of 0.0014, and it was touching 0.006, man. It was touching 0.006 this morning. So that's like a 60x increase that it was seeing just a couple of hours ago on the price chart here, and it is back down to a $14,000 market cap. So you're looking at 24-hour volume at $2.4 million. That's the reason that this coin was ripping higher in price. That's the reason that it was showing up on the trending list. So, yes, by the time they hit this trending list, there's a very good chance that they have already made their run. Now, you can get in, especially if you get in after a little bit of a pullback like this, and then it does bounce. But a lot of them, by the time they reach that list, they've already had their run. You are correct. The only way that you could really get into these coins before they hit the trending list is if you come out here to these brand new coins. This one, TWIF. It has been live for only 2 minutes. It has been live for only 2 minutes, and it's sitting on a $2,000 market cap, and it has already seen some crazy price action with a 5-minute chart here going from, 4 zeros and a 1 to 4 zeros and a 9 and back down. Somehow already has 67 holders. So Tate with hat. I have no idea what Tate with hat is supposed to be, but people jumping in here and buying into this one. The second 5-minute chart is already down, and it's got a $1.5 thousand market cap. I don't know if this one's ever going to end up showing up on the list or not, but $6,000 traded in the first 5 minutes of trading is actually very impressive. So this one right here, it's been out for like 3 minutes and already doing some pretty big price action. And as you guys can see, man, a $4 buy and a $9 buy basically just doubled the price of this coin right here. A $160 sell is probably going to dump the price of that coin right off. So just be very careful with some of these guys coming in, man, and already selling $160. But this one is moving and moving very quickly. $235 sell coming in, basically erasing that entire candle right there. So that's the only reason that's the only way you can find them before they hit the trending list, and that's really the only way you're going to be able to see 100,000% gains. But it's very, very likely, man, that this coin never does anything or just drops back down to 0. So something to think about. Hey, bro, can you pull up around, man? Solana might be a good buy for the bros. Yeah, you know what? I'm actually surprised that it got listed on MEXC. I saw that trending like all last week, so that is pretty interesting there. I remember this one trending all last week, so let's see what it's doing right now. It came out a month ago. I think it's, nope, this is on Uniswap. Hold on. This one. It's got to be this one. Getting listed on CoinMarketCap today and coming back down to test this level of support here at 008. So if you want to look at the daily, people using that coin or that MEXC listing as liquidity and coming out there. And man, it is on its way back down at the moment. So it wouldn't be a bad buy at all if this one does end up falling back down into this area here. Especially if it comes back down to $1 million market cap. Knowing it's got those listings, knowing it's been way up here before, it is something that could perform phenomenally if it has sort of a second chance rebound like Bonk did. And a lot of these meme coins, a lot of these bigger meme coins, falling down pretty hard. Another one is that Miro token, right? Miro. Right here. 8 cents. 21% decline. Fell through that level we put on there yesterday. Coming down to test this level here at the 7-8 cent mark. And if it falls through that one, you've got one level of resistance at 5 cents before you're coming back down to that 1 cent mark. Another one, Honk. Honk is another meme coin that was recently introduced 19 days ago, and it is falling rather fast. Honk is trying to find a support line at half a cent. If it doesn't hold that, it could be on its way back down here to 0.002 and possibly lose another 90% to come all the way back down here to 0.002 per coin. So watch out for Honk as well, man. Currently sitting in a $6 million market cap. But these meme coins seem to be pulling back and pulling back pretty hard over the last, I don't know, I think it's a week. Kenneth, I agree with you, man. The ecosystem team does need to be held accountable. But the question is, how can you hold somebody accountable when they're a cartoon character? When they don't exist? That's the thing that begs a response. How would you ever hold Satoshi accountable if nobody knows who Satoshi is? Thinking of exchanging half of all my Shib for Bitcoin. My opinion, Shiba Inu coin might have a little bit more potential because it's a lower priced coin, but Bitcoin is probably a much safer bet and a much better long-term play than Shiba Inu coin. Mild heart attack? The heck? I'm not a fan of the term. Of what? A mild heart attack? You had a mild heart attack, or who had a mild heart attack? Oh, Gary. Gary, man, what the heck are you doing having heart attacks over here? What caused that, man? Click a new net, spot below 1 cent. Look at it go after it was launched a while ago. Robbie, let's check it out, man. Gary did that at 42. Listen to the dietitian. Dude, you guys have already lived so many lives. It's crazy, dude. Yeah, guys, please don't be having heart attacks, man. I don't need the bros having heart attacks out there. Unidex, you know, you say, okay, gotcha. Unidex AI, Giovanni. I'm gonna pull up nets first. Let's see if we can pull up Unidex AI as well. Let's see here. Unidex. Oh no. We'll look at it, but nets. Main nets, I believe, is what we're looking at here. Wow, dude, if you got in below 1 cent, you're absolutely killing it on main nets, man. All right, let's look at main nets on Dex Tools. Launched 2 months ago. That's... Well, dude, I don't know about this one. That's obviously incorrect. Now I don't know. Is it this one? Dude, if it's this one, I don't know where you got it for a penny, but congratulations on getting it a penny and 10xing, man. I mean, that's phenomenal if you were able to get into this for under a penny and you're already sitting on a 10 plus X gain right there. I mean, that's beautiful. I don't know why I can't pull it up on Dex Tools there. Apple earnings per share. Russell, thank you very much for the update. $2.18 versus $2.10 estimated. The revenue came in at $119 billion versus the $117 billion estimated. Apple having a very good earnings report. Let's see what that's doing. My goodness, dude. Look at Facebook ripping 14% after hours to $450 per share. Facebook is, wow, man. Facebook is just ripping right now. A $60 gain, dude. Facebook's sitting on a $60 gain, nearly a 20% gain from these lows right here. Wow, man. All right, and Apple not performing as well. Apple having a good earnings report, but here Apple is selling off at the moment. So that doesn't make too much sense to me that Apple beat both revenue and earnings expectations, but Apple's gone from $191 down to $181 after hours. So Apple pulling back pretty hard and Facebook ripping up very hard right now. So you do have a lot of volatility going on in the tech sector at the moment, with Meta ripping higher and Apple, unfortunately, ripping lower. In case anyone is currently in, no, not what I wanted to click on, this one. In case Apple is in anybody's portfolio there, Apple is down, Meta is currently up. Thanks, guys. I did meet with a dietitian. She is working on a meal plan. Gary, dude, very good. Gary, the best thing I did was eat fresh food, no processed, canned. Actually got back and exercising again. Take care of yourself, bro. Tim, I love it, man. Probably one of the best pieces of advice anybody. That's not financial advice. That's just very good life advice, man. Roth long-term and time portfolio combined to close up 1.31% today. Today's top stocks: SQY, number 2, Ford, and the champion of the portfolio, MPW. I think MPW was up 5% today, wasn't it? Yeah, 5% gain on MPW today. Very nice 5-minute chart on MPW there. Basically double tapping that bottom at 308 to close at 325. Nicely done. In the meantime, guys, Apple, keep your eyes on it because Apple moving pretty heavy after hours there. We'll watch that for a minute, unless, of course, you guys want me to replace it with Bitcoin. Facebook needs to rip. Reptilian Zuck needs his adrenochrome. He needs it. Dude, listen, I don't have Facebook right now, but I am glad that anybody who does have it is experiencing some very large gains right now. So congratulations to anybody that owns Facebook. I do own some Apple, so I am currently down on... Well, I'm actually currently up on Apple, but I'm currently down on the day since it's falling off after hours. Believe it or not, Tim, the majority of what I eat is fresh. It's about a 65-35 split. Apple 13% decline in sales in China. Okay, that could be leading then, Russell. That could be leading to some of the decline there. Meta added 50-cent dividend and a possible stock buyback. Falling down farms. That could be one of the reasons you're seeing such a large increase. But, dude, $50 increase on a 50-cent dividend. I don't know if that makes too much sense to me. That's far outweighs the dividend that you would be seeing there. Keeping fingers crossed that Cyria Layer 2 is the next Polygon, Arbitrum, and Optimism. Let's see where Cyria is back at. Russell, I remember looking at Cyria over the last couple of weeks. Hopefully it has not fallen back down below those levels of support we've been discussing. So let's see where we're at here. Cyria, $3 million market cap. It's up 20% on the day today. Cyria actually looking pretty good on the day. 20% gain, dude. You cannot beat that at all. And if it is one of the next Polygons, I mean, dude, you are going to be absolutely ripping in price here. $3 million market cap is very, very low compared to where it could be. All right, so it is maintaining support down here at 003, back up to 004, but finding what is now resistance at this 004 level. So definitely keep your eye on it, man, and keep us updated because we want to know if this does fall back down through this 003, this last level of support here. There's a very good chance that it can be coming all the way back down to these levels, and this would be a very lucrative buy if it does, man. So keep everybody updated on the price action here. If it does fall back down to these 3 zeros and a 1, knowing that it 100x'd to get up here, people might be very interested in buying back into Cyria or buying into it for the first time if it does. So always bring it up, man, because we want to know. We want to buy all the opportunities that we possibly can. Bought CAD at 1998. Let's see what happens. Giovanni, where'd you get it? Did you get it on Uniswap? Or where's CAD? This dude's already up, man. This dude's already up. Giovanni buying this little dip right here. And causing it to go up to 20 cents. I love it, man. This one's only been out for a day. Alright, it's Cadence Protocol. Let us know how it works for you. And keep us updated on it, dude. $5 million market cap. He'll probably be sitting on a $10 million market cap tomorrow. I got nets below a penny on a first day pre-sale. So let's see what it is going to do in the future. Maybe a great chance for some big returns. But 10x is not too shabby. Robbie, 10x is stinking phenomenal, man. I hope you hit 100x. I hope you hit 1000x. But 10x is stinking phenomenal. So Apple, puts probably worked out. Yeah, if you were buying puts today on Apple, man, I would say you did very well. Unless, of course, it sees a bounce back. But right now, down 1.75%. Depending on the implied volatility and how expensive those puts were, I would say you did do very well. If you would have bought calls, holy smokes, man. Now it's 452. If you would have bought calls on Facebook today, wow. Somebody remind us tomorrow to look at these numbers on the calls, because if you would have been buying calls, man, 395. Okay, so let's just see here. These 395s, we're sitting at 1150. 395s tomorrow are going to be at least $60. So yeah, these are much more expensive because this implied volatility was very, very high today. But nonetheless, man, $60 in the money. You 6x'd your money right there. You did very, very well. So, yeah, if this holds up till tomorrow or goes up even higher, people are going to be seeing some very, very nice gains there. You can use this one as an example too. $9.50 for the 400s, currently sitting $50 in the money. These are going to be at least, I would say, $52, $53 tomorrow. So 5xing your money, 6xing your money on those options there. You did very well if you bought Facebook calls today. Bro, check pick in the Discord, supporters chat. Oh my gosh. Kombu, please don't fall. Oh boy. Dude. How you guys even type in the chat when you're hanging at the top of a tree like that is insane, man. I'd be hanging on, hugging for dear life that I don't fall out of that tree. So, Kombu, please be careful. That is nuts, man. This dude's just hanging there. They got a chainsaw hanging from him. Oh, boy. Luna 28, Mondrel. Let's check it out, man. ABBV looking really good on the day. ABBV real quick since we're in here. Yeah, it is looking pretty good on the day here. Very nice gain. Man, going from 162 at the lows, nothing but up to 167. That is a very nice gain there. But let's watch. Where is Meta? We're gonna keep Meta up here just to see what happens. Might be curling back over. Luna 28. Let's see if we can pull Luna 28 up. Luna 28. Luna 28 is currently down. No, it's going to be up. What's going on with this? Must have been earlier. This is going to update here. Luna 28 currently sitting at 3 zeros and a 10. It is not down on the day today. It is actually up on the day today. But as far as what this coin does, I am not exactly sure. As long as it's been out, it is only... Now, where the heck did it get this kind of... Oh, that's 69,000, not 69 million. I'm like, where the heck did it get that volume? It has only been out since January 26th, so this is still a brand new coin. I have no idea what these guys are doing. They're only listed on Uniswap. All right, these guys not liking Luna here. Bearish on this project, horrible community, complete scam, went in there asking a few questions and was attacked by the founder for asking about marketing this. You should proceed at your own risk. This guy, Vanessa, says, scam. Purchase on MetaMask, was locked in and could not sell the coin. Total scam. Keep getting an error. It says there's no liquidity. I'm locked into the scam and have the luxury of just watching it go lower and lower. Please be careful. Some of these guys like it. A lot of these guys do not like it. All right, I don't know. Oh, you guys can't even see it, man. I don't know where they're going with it, but Mondrel, please watch out for Luna 28 because a couple people are saying some bad things about it there. Let's see if we can get it to pull up here and see if Dex Tools has it listed as a honeypot or anything. It's got it. I don't know what those problems were there, man. This has actually got a very nice Dex Tools score. 99 across the board. It's got a score of 99 here. The contract's verified. It's not a honeypot. It does have a 2% sell tax. Literally showing no issues across the board. It is anti-whale. I mean, okay. Yeah. And you do have a lot of very large trades coming in here as well. Man, that'd be a nice bot to have. Just made $300 on that trade right there. $69,000 in volume. Not bad. It's had a decent graph. People selling off at the moment, probably trying to find new liquidity in live streams. And that ascending trend line has held up there. So, I don't know, man. If you guys are interested in Luna 28, buy a little bit, sell, see if you can sell a little bit. Don't get caught in anything that you don't want to get caught in. But, yeah, it is a decent graph. The Dex Tools score right here is actually a really good score. So, I don't know how they have such a good score, but have so many upset people out on CoinMarketCap. Cyria is waiting to be listed on CoinMarketCap as a layer 2. Russell, gotcha, man. And if they get that listing, it's probably going to make them go up. Bought CAD on Uniswap. Very nice. What about Unidex, man? Did you get Unidex? I usually like to buy at night. The Ethereum fees are much, much cheaper. Yeah, less people using the network. Well, the gas fees are going to be cheaper. It's too funny. Facts. The other night, I was doing $4 to $5 swaps. Beautiful compared to $20 plus. I don't know who would like $20 plus in swaps, man. $20 is very expensive compared to $4 or $5, yes, but even compared to chains like Solana and BNB, where the fees are much, much lower than that, nobody wants to be paying $20 per trade there. Hey, bros, I was about to put my bro shirt on and realized the time, but he's late. Better late than never, Bender. Glad to have you in here, man. What does hyperdeflationary token mean? Mondrel. Hyperdeflationary, which I don't know if you're talking about Luna here or not. Hyperdeflationary means that you should see massive amounts of the coin being destroyed or burning. So if it's inflationary, it means that you're going to see a lot of tokens minted, and you're going to see it become worth less and less and less. If it's deflationary, you should see tokens being destroyed. Therefore, the token could become worth more and more and more. Now, I don't know if they're telling you that it's hyperdeflationary because of their 2% tax. They've got a 2% sell tax on there, and a portion of that may go to burns. I don't think 2% necessarily constitutes hyper, but that would be by my definition, man. So they might be saying hyper-deflationary based on their definition, which 2% is what they're considering, but I wouldn't consider 2% hyper-deflationary. I sleep in my bro shirt only. Outdoor smile. There's no other way to get a good night's rest when Bounty Coin. Bounty Coin needs to be very, very soon, Tim. It does need to be very, very soon. The thing about Bounty Coin too, man, or Bro, the bounty retrieval organization, dude. Every time there's a hack, every time there's some sort of a crypto crime, it's perfect advertising opportunity for bro coin or bounty retrieval or just bounty coin in general as well. There will always be opportunity to advertise bounty coin. And even if you don't get to the level, right, where we are offering bounties, it's still going to be a good idea in people's minds. And they're still going to want to buy into the idea because it will one day have utility. So, yeah, man, I don't know. I think it's a great idea across the board. Well, there's a picture I can't get rid of. Tim, I don't know why you'd want to get rid of it, man. The rest is he's just going on, man. He's going on. He's painting that picture vividly for you. Outdoor smiles going on for Tim, man. What's going to be the price range for you on buying Celestia? Giovanni, I really don't. I would like to get Celestia below $10. I'm just gonna be honest. I would like to get it below $10. I don't know if it'll ever get there, and it's okay if it doesn't get there. I'm more interested in whether or not Bitcoin can maintain its strength. I am much more concerned right now that Bitcoin falls back down. So if Bitcoin falls back down into the 30s, okay, and it's testing the support there, and it does seem to hold up, then, I might believe, all right, it is time to buy. And Celestia might still be at $15, $16, $17 at that point. But if Bitcoin starts to lose some of the steam that it's had since October on all of the ETF speculation, I really do expect Celestia and all of the other tokens to fall back down as well. And then that's the buy signal. So it's not necessarily a price point on Celestia. It's more of a strength point on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's showing the strength and Bitcoin, I'm not worried about it falling back down, I'll get in. But I am currently worried about Bitcoin giving up the strength and falling back down from the current levels that it's reached. Let's see. BBC coin to the moon. Maurice is getting in to Biggable Coke. There's my, what up? There you go, man. Thinking of jumping into Matic for a bit. Glenn, Youngblood, man. Not a bad idea. Polygon. Where is Polygon? 60, 70 cents, or is it at 50 cents? I'm either thinking about Cardano or Polygon here. $0.80. All right, so this might have been the one I was talking about at 70 cents. Polygon sitting here at 80 cents. Not a bad deal at all, especially knowing that 50 cents was like the lowest of the low support that we had during this bear market. Dude, aren't you guys all kicking yourself for not getting into Polygon at like 1 cent down to a half a cent here? Watching it 250x. Dude, 250x gains in Polygon. January 2021. Jeez. The crazy thing to me, so this 240x'd in January to essentially May. How in the world did Dogecoin get so much more attention than Polygon? Doge like 70x'd. Doge like 70x, not 250x. So you're going here, January of 2020, 1 cent, right? Over the same time frame to 60 cents. I know it was more than 60 cents. It hit 72 cents. Dogecoin 70x'd in that time. And Polygon 250x'd in that time. Where in the world was all the hype about Polygon when Dogecoin was just stealing the absolute show there? That's nuts, man. Bitcoin price is crucial. I've been really paying attention to technicals and making decisions on alts based on that. So the website says they burn coins on celestial cycle, meaning each lunar cycle they burn their coins. 160 million tokens in March and 1.6 billion in April. Oh, wow. That's the amount they burned? Mondrel, that might not be bad, dude, but just be careful with them. Any new token, that's all I got to say. Just be careful with them. They did have a very nice score on Dex Tools. And Lunar Cycle, very good. As long as they're not trying to attach themselves to like Terra Luna Classic, you know, it's just going to be a little meme coin that would be hyper deflationary, yes, if they are burning, you know, massive amounts like that. And especially if they continue to increase those burns. Thanks for supporting the coin, Maurice. Heck yeah, Gary. Pendle, I don't think it will ever go down. Oh, jeez. Dude, is it $3 now? Is Pendle ripping past $3? Let's see where Pendle's at. $2.60, man. Giovanni got Pendle at like 4 cents, man. Giovanni got Pendle at the absolute best price that you could ever get Pendle. And he did. He held it very nicely to 80 cents. So he absolutely destroyed the trade. But, yeah, it doesn't seem as though Pendle ever wants to come down either. Pendle, everything Giovanni buys only goes up and only ever goes up. Pendle, Celestia, now CAD. Everything that Giovanni touches goes up and only up. Gio, I'd never look at Pendle again. That's straight torture, bro. Oh, he's looking at it. You know, but dude, he still did. You guys, I mean, he still did so well. He still did so well. To get in Pendle at 2 or 4 cents, wherever it was, and then ride it to 80 cents. That is crazy. Zcash is down to like $21, man. Zcash is entering major buy opportunity. Zcash is down here at $21. I'm pretty sure the bear market low during like 2020 was 16 to 18 bucks back here. Yeah, it was 16 to 18 bucks. Coin market cap not even showing it at that low anymore. But it was back down here in the $16 to $18 range. Best they're giving you is 20s. So Zcash, man, very, very low at the moment. But I'm telling you, if it rips back up to 20 from 21 to 2,300, it's gonna be looking very, very nice on that chart, man. And especially if it rips back up to 700, Zcash is gonna be looking phenomenal. You guys are gonna love it. A Dogecoin got all the attention because it was completely worthless. No one expected a joke coin to go up. Yeah, all right, that does make sense, Giovanni. That does make sense as to why it got all the attention, rising 60x like that when Matic was clearly 250xing. Crypto.com won't let me get up on Zcash. Well, come on, man. Crypto.com, let this dude grab some Zcash. He needs to start loading up for the next bull market. That's what we need to see happen. Guys, somehow it is already 5 o'clock. This live stream has actually gone very, very quick here. We got 34 people in here. I expect 34 goodbyes on the way out. Get your names in the chat. We're going to be doing some shout-outs. And, of course, we will be back this evening with videos at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Watch them 100 times. Leave 10 comments. Click the like button once. And thank you guys for all the support, both in the live streams and on the videos. We'll do these shout-outs, and I will see you guys this evening on videos. And, of course, tomorrow in the live stream there. Mondro Man, see you later. We got Gary Giovanni, Ace Combat 1. See you later, man. We've got, who was that there? Gary, see you later. Outdoor Smile, Tim, Maurice, Giovanni, Tim, see you later. Outdoor. We got Giovanni, Gorilla, peace out to you. Forgot my cup. Outdoor Smile, see you later. Later to you, Richard. Gary, have a great one, man. Frank, enjoy your evening. Mondro, have a great one. Next Level Bender, Johnny Quest, see you later. Tim, enjoy your evening, man. Charlie Martinez, enjoy it. Let's go me. Maurice Kombu, Charlie, Giovanni, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Timmy! Thank you very much for the member chat. Tim throwing one green name out there, and Maurice grabbing that green name, man. Maurice, welcome to the bros. Glad to have you. Please say thank you to Tim if you're still in here. If you're not in here, I'm saying thank you to Tim. Tim, man, thank you very much for that green name. Appreciate everybody in this chat. Besides, of course, Charlie and Master. having a green name. Tim, man, thank you very much. We got a shout out to Tim, guys. Please say thank you to him if you're still in here. Maurice, see you later, and congratulations on the green name. Master, Outdoor Smile, Tim, all of you guys. You know what time it is, Outdoor. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.